So apparently these new XT1 Indo series Cub Cadets aren't coming with hour meters from Tractor Supply and Home Depot and everything. There's a plastic spot right here. All you do is pop that out. Go pick yourself up one of these hour meters here. Comes with an owner's manual, operator's manual. We'll tell you all the codes. All you do is just plop that out. There's little 3 pins in here. You just line it up. Plop it in. I'll test it out first. Make sure it's the right way. And just put it in. Easy peasy. About 70 bucks. They're doing it to save money.